Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are watching me from. I have come again with my products, our products, the products that will make your body look fresh, the products that will make you look good, the products that will make you look younger than your age, the product that is so, I don't know how to express how this product look like, as in it's so amazing. This product that doesn't have any side effects. Can you imagine? This product is, since I've been telling you people that this is how this product look like, some are saying the light that is not working. Why would this thing work if you do not follow it up? Even though you go to hospital and your doctor asks you that they prescribe drugs for you to use, and you didn't follow it up as they asked you to use it, it will not work. So that is it. That is how it looks like. You will follow it up, then you will know maybe the product is working or it's not working. So I am here again, with my capsule, my booster, and my shake, which is so marvelous. And the business opportunity too. The day e never close. People dey rush now. People wey na just the day house now, dey do anything. Make na call join €60. Na don dey. This month don dey go again now. We dey expect another one for next month. Na as we dey. Now na fit come out do my advert. Dey inside my room dey sell product for my people. So that is just how we take dey. You don't need to call carry am for head, dey hawk for street, or carry am dey push around, dey say brother you go buy, sister you go buy. But those wey see am say this thing really work, dem know. Dem say they don use am, they will testify. So this is the product. I'm having them here. So I will talk about this capsule. This capsule, there are three. This is the berry. As I've already said before, this is the fruit and the vegetable, and the three be this. You that you are taking this berries, nobody for here now, like me, I never take one of these, maybe na strawberry or na blueberry. I'll just go supermarket, I'll buy blueberry, buy this berry, they chop. No, but everything don dey here now, which is working for our body. It make us look good. Nothing much. It's not a must that you must use cream before your body can look good. No. Even though you don't use cream, follow it up. It will blend your body. You will look good. You will look younger. You see some people stress, they overwork them. Stress, they overkill them. You see them, I ask how old you be. They will tell you the age. You don't old past the age, which is very bad. So because we know they take care of ourselves. And our health is our wealth. If you dey work morning to night, morning to night, morning to night, no even dey take supplement, you no dey eat, how you want make your body be? Your body no fit even dey regular, you go just old pass your age. You be like you dey 30, you dey be like 45 years. No. So let's take care of our body. That is what this is used for. It doesn't react. Don't have anything say you use am finish your ear come dey big, or use am finish your belle come dey big. You no get side effects. You no dey do anything for body. You no dey do anything bad for body. Na to just maintain your body, make your body dey good. You wey you get those pimples wey be say you don use cream and the pimples stubborn, no gree comot. Why not? Why can't you try it and see, maybe you go no kill am from inside? Some of us now, this capsule work for many things. Don't wait until you are sick before you will be looking for a supplement that you want to take. Don't wait until you have that problem or the other. Don't wait until you have diabetes before you be finding this capsule up and down. Once you have it now, you are using it, it reduce all those risks in your body. It will kill them. They will never manifest, because you have already been taking it down. You have already been using it. Even though the thing dey your body, e won't come out. As this thing you dey take am regular, as they say make you dey take am, e go kill am. Because na some things wey you no complete for the food wey we dey chop, na im make all those things dey come out for our body. So small you say this one dey get problem, dey get BP dey high. Wetin dey high BP? Wetin? No be stress and lack of food, lack of protein, lack of vitamins. So this capsule contains everything dey inside. All the fruit and vegetables wey you no fit chop for a go, e dey here. You just take am once, e don work for your body. So what are we waiting for? Waiting for people to tell us you need to buy this thing first before you buy it, and you know this thing is working and you have the money. Why can't you try it? Some people will say it's too dear. What is dear there? Can you go to pharmacy and say you want to buy drugs and write it down that you pay in 4 months time? It's not possible. But the company allows you to pay in 4 months, to pay the money, and they will bring the product to you. The first payment you've made, they will bring it direct to your house. Then once you are taking it, you that you are taking it, you see that this thing is really working for me. Why won't you pay? You will love to pay. And then if you finish, you can even order more, because you've already like it and the thing is working for your body, and you see the changes that you see in your body. You understand? So my people, this capsule is nothing that you can miss like that. You can take it, and it's very, very good for our body. We that we don't use to take fruit, we don't even like to eat vegetables. How many vegetables we fit chop? How many fruits we fit eat? So we'll just carry one banana like they'll chop and chop and chop and chop. At the end of the day, they'll throw away and they'll get for us. Like me, I don't used to eat fruits like that. If I buy many, they will spoil. But now, I used to buy it because I used to blend it. And if I don't even want to take, I take this as a supplement. It covers all the fruit and vegetables that I need to take. It covers it. So I'm not saying it here that because I'm into the product. I bought it to see, but I see the work, that this thing is really working. So I decided to join the business, because I want my people, many people out there that don't really know how it works, to take advantage of these drugs, these products that I'm talking about. So I still have the booster also. This is the booster. The complete fruits and vegetables. Fruit, that's what they contain. They are not what you can take and start saying your head is big, or your tummy is big, or you are going to toilet, or you can't go to toilet or wherever. No, this one it doesn't have anything side effect. They don't even, you can even take it without, you can take it morning, afternoon, night. It doesn't have anything that this thing is very bad for my body, or I can't use it like that, or they will tell you take it once or take half. No, this is the booster which you will use if you have that fat in your body that you don't like, and you don't like the fatness. You don't like the fatness, number one, and number two, you like to eat and you cannot control your food. If you take this booster, it will fool you. It will fool you. You'll be full. You will not be hungry. you will be full, so that you will not be eating this, eating that, eating this, eating that. That's why you accumulate many food that will not digest in your body, that will be working. There are those ones that want to go to where fat dey, they will just dey hang for there, hang for there. You go sleep, you go wake up, they go hang. You go sleep, you go wake up, they go hang. At the end of the day, you can't see yourself abarakata for ground. No. So if you take this, just one, you can take one in the morning when you just wake up, you just take one, mix it with water, drink it. It doesn't not be work wey be say you wan still go dey cook this thing before you add am join. Na water, open and pour for water, then you drink. Dey do wetin you dey do for house. You are doing your work, dey go. You dey do your work, you no concern anybody. Na you know time. And if you don do am finish, you don see say hungry don dey come, carry your fruit, put am for your blender, cut the fruit wey you like. It may be banana or cucumber or kiwi or anything, any fruit that you like. You cut it inside your blender, then you put 1 cup of this shake inside. Either you use vanilla or you use chocolate. This is the two. You understand? You put 1 cup, the cup dey inside, you put it inside your that fruit that you cut in the blender. Then you blend it. After blending it, you pour it in your cup, a full cup of those things that you blend. You drink it. After drinking it, you see say you gallant. You will be full, you will not be hungry. Semo, you comot throat for semo, you leave semo aside. Let me work on this thing, let me see how it works. Let me see how I dey hear say this thing dey work, this thing dey work. Make me still try am. May I put myself on this thing for a month, say may I just push those heavy food, may I push am for corner, may I lock am for cupboard, may I lock am, may I leave am there. May I just try this GP, may I just dey on top this on this GP. May I just dey on this GP. You put am, you drink am that in the morning when you don drink this your booster finish. You see say you dey okay. Even all those chop wey you dey carry, meat, puff or banana, all those one wey you dey chop for corner after you don eat finish, you no go come again, because you dey okay with the food wey you drink. That one go carry you till maybe later you come dey feel hungry. You fit eat anything light. No be say until you pack semo wey full like this for plate before you say your belle you eat na eat. No, you find something light chop, you eat something light. After eating that one, you be okay. In the evening before you sleep, you check your time, you go again, carry your fruit. Do that for a month. Before you just start that thing, I've already said it before, snap yourself, just keep a picture of yourself, keep it aside in your phone. Then after you do this thing for a month, then you come back again and snap yourself and see the difference. Then you can come here and say, abeg, this thing wey you tell me e no work o. Then I will tell you how you take dey before, and now how you take you will check the pics. So my people, it works. I can't lie to you, it really works. All those pictures that I've been saying, that I've been posting to my Facebook, my page there, they are not fake pictures. Those people are there. They came in to buy the product. They were customers. They came in to buy. Once they use it, a month, 2 months, they see the work, they just say, I know they go anywhere. They join the business. So they start telling people that is there that don't even understand how the thing goes before. They try to convince them that I am a victim. I've already used this thing and I see how this thing works. That is why I said no, I no go out, can't do this business. So many of them are into this business because many of them are customers. They just say, let me buy this product, let me try it. And when they see how the thing really work for them, they join. So to tell you people that these products, they are not harmful and they are very good, they are active. Very, very, for them to have it for children also. You can see it, it's nothing but fruit. What do they do with fruit and vegetables? What do they do with fruit? You know, and you just dey chop am. Even though say you buy this one for your children, you no keep am well, put am for where their hand fit dey. They fit chop all this whole bag finish because e dey sweet, e be like sweet. They will chop am finish before you even comot from the room come outside. They chop, okay, you wan chop am finish because na sweet. So my people, they are not harmful at all. They are just very, very good. The booster, the shake, and the capsule, they work perfectly. They work perfectly. So they don't have anything to fear about it. You don't have anything to fear about that this thing is the side effect. I don't know. It doesn't have any side effect, my sister, my brother. Men, you can take it. If you have that stubborn pimples in your face, that is some, you can see some people there, these pimples just come over their faces, even their chest, everything. If you have it, you can take it. It's not by cream. If you have tried using different type of cream and it's not going, why can't you try this capsule? It will kill it from the inside. You kill it from it. That one doesn't stop you, but if you want to know maybe it's working, just stop those creams. Use this for a month. Take it morning, afternoon, night, as I said. It's not just 10 that is inside, 120 pieces that is inside. So what are we talking about? Before you use it for a month, all those things, it will go. All those things it will just dry off. You won't know how it works. So my sisters, my brother, if you know you have been trying those creams, wasting your money, just try this. Inbox me, I will tell you how to use everything. I will tell you how to follow it up. I have a friend that have pimples, even he have it everywhere. It's not about I've been using cream. Some cream you buy it to make you, black people, to make you fair. You not turn to albino, Fanta. Your face go go red, you go yellow, your body go black because of you are trying to remove the pimples using all those scrub whatever. And it's not going, it's not working. Then try this one. Maybe it's from the inside, so that it will dry everything off for you. It works for men, it works for women. We are all women. We are all human beings. They don't specialize it for only women that used to take it. No, men are taking it. If you even have that belly fat that you don't like, it's food. Nothing much, it's food. The capsule is there for us to use. We have the shake, we have the booster. Those of you that have that big tummy, even men that have that big tummy, that you know this tummy is not like this before, and you want to get rid of it, why can't you try this booster? Follow it up. As I have a customer that is using it now. I do follow her up. I follow her up. In the morning, I will just let her know that it's time for you to take this booster. I will call her. I will tell her, say, I'm telling you the facts. I will call her, I will tell her, say, it's time for you to take this booster. Once it's in the evening, I will still call her again. Don't forget to. So follow it up and see the food that you are eating. Later you testify because it's not about making mouth. You will come, you say, you will see, you know that something left you. Some kilo don comot. You know say kilo, you be no be like this. That before you dey waka like this before. Later now you come see say you don dey waka normal because you know say something comot for your body. Some kilo cut away wey no good. The fat, some cut dey comot. You understand? So my people, it doesn't mean for this product are not meant for only women or only kids. It's meant for both women and men. They are taking it. Everybody's taking it. So this is the booster which you can use for that tummy that is disturbing you. Not that you will just take it like this, tomorrow the tummy will fly, or you will take one and you go back and turn some more and chop. It will not work, my sister. It will not work, my brother. It's not a magic. It's for you to follow it up. If you are giving, if doctor even prescribe a drug for you, say may you take am morning, afternoon, night, you dey take am only morning. How the sickness wan take comot? You know go. You need to follow it up. Once you follow it up, you will see that it will really work for you. Person dey you use your money take buy this now you go you say the sister no dey here na don drink wine, you go corner go dey eat semo. You dey do yourself now. The belle go even times 2. You go big pass how e take dey before. E go be times 2. So if you follow it up, this thing na drugs wey you go follow up, na supplement, na for our body to lose weight. No be magic. It's not magic that you just take it now, you sleep, before you wake up the belle don disappear. No, they tell you that one na lie. So you need to follow it up. Once you take it, try to limit food. Reduce the heavy food I used to eat. Reduce it very well. Once you reduce the heavy food that you are eating, trust me, it will work. Because the fat now, the food now, no dey see where go. And this thing now dey break the ones wey don first dey, the fat wey don first dey your body before. This one now dey break am. Then the body now no see that heavy food again wey e wan accumulate for inside you. So you no get wetin you wan do, na to waka go find another person go enter the fat for there, because you don dey ready say this thing I need to comot am from my body. So that is it. If you are a man and you you can't be doing it, you can't be waking up and be very early in the morning be taking because your time, or maybe you are going to work. If your wife can make it for you,